Welcome to class number 5 of our course Strength of Materials for third semester BE Civil or Mechanical, Strength of Materials or Mechanics of Materials as per the syllabus. As I told, this will be a purely examination oriented course useful for getting good marks in exam or those who find difficulty pass guaranteed. Now, in the first class, I mentioned or told some requirement. I am very sorry to tell that the requirements are not satisfied. You go to the first class, I given an example also there and told you if you want my help, as I told, this is service oriented class. What in my busy schedule, I somehow managed to get some time for this one and started streaming these classes. Class number 4, if you remember, was uploaded nearly 2 weeks earlier. After I told class number 1, I will wait for some time and decide to continue or not. Then I decided, okay, upload class number 2. Then there was little delay. I uploaded class 3 and 4. After 4, I waited for some time. Then nearly 2 weeks now, I think nearly 2 weeks. Exam is fast approaching. For VTU, examination is from 5th of March as per present day timetable. Maybe shifted little. This paper may be little later. So now today is 17th, no, 16th. Today Wednesday 16th. So at least around 14-15 days more this month and 5-6 days more next month. Now, I written here important information at the end of this class. So I will start now. I will tell why is the delay and what is that important information. At the end I will tell, because first I want pure subject matter. So exam oriented questions, remember we are doing compound members. See, for compound members, question 1 in the class number 4 was a master question or critical question. I explained so thoroughly that once you go through that question, solve it, any question you can solve. But that much lengthy questions will not come. So usually I do same thing. In the beginning, do a tough question. Explain each and everything. Then go for exam oriented. So that question 1 solved in class number 4 is only for understanding. Don't repeatedly practice. Understand everything. Okay, now I will start examination oriented questions. How the question will come in examination. Start. Question number 2. A steel rod of length 2.5 meter. So there is a steel rod. See, I'll put here. Steel rod of length 2.5 meter is subjected to an axial pull of 30 kN. Now, 1 minute. This length is 2.5 meter. See correctly the question. Okay, now, axial pull they told. Actually, pull means pulling like this. If someone gives this question to me, I will tell no stress and strain. Why? I will place a member here, pull it by 30 kN along the axis. Then they will tell it is in tension. Then tell it clearly. You tell it tensile force or compressive force. Don't tell pull like that. Pull, if you pull, member will come outside. Then they will tell a support is there. Then mention it. So the axial pull, it is correct only if they tell one side is supported or fixed and other side it is pulled. If they tell this way, then it is correct. Simply telling pull is wrong. Okay, no. Push means what? See, if I apply push from both sides, it will be compression. Only one side push, it will move. But anyway, remember, examination point of view, I have seen such questions in examination. But exam point of view, these things all, you forget it. You know it. If they tell pull, you just imagine it is tension. Nothing can be done. Okay, now leave that one. I told class, I do not want someone tomorrow to comment. He told pull, how it will give tension. I told the answer. Okay, now this way. See, and they told the rod has diameter of 22 mm. Means under a normal question, it is like this. So the axial force, little here. 30 kN. If I take cross section, circular section of diameter 22 millimeter. If that is all given, it won't come in compound members. It will come in first part. See, simple case I did. But read the question. The rod has a diameter of 22 mm. See, very, very easy question. Examination. This question in exam, if I remember, came 4-5 times earlier. From past so many years, I have seen this question at least 4-5 times. So easy now, see. The rod has diameter of 22 mm for a length of 1.3 meter from one end. Oh, that means not this way. The arrangement is not that way. As per their information, the question is a rod of length how much? 2.5 meter. Okay. Later I'll mark. Okay. I'll mark 2.5 meter here. 2.5 meter is the length. If I put the rod here, see, it is like this for 1.2, how much it is? 1.3 meter. For 1.3 meter, it has got a diameter of 22 millimeter. That is, if you take the section somewhere here, you can see a circular section of diameter 22 millimeter. Okay, then they told from one end, and for remaining length, diameter is 16 millimeter. Once the 1.3 meter is over, suddenly the diameter will reduce. So 2.5 meter, 1.3 means this is 1.2. I can't explain because you are engineering student, 1.2 meter. Here, diameter is 16 millimeter. Means if I take a section here, it will be a circular section of diameter not 22, 16 millimeter. Oh, now this will become member of compound member, not composite section. See, I told you, P, A and E. Among these three, if any one of them changes, then entire length you can't use single time. So here, P no doubt is constant. How much they told? Pull they told 30 means other side suppose should be there. Reaction of 30 will be here. Or you can imagine this way, pulled from both sides by 30 kilonewton this way. So whether you cut here or cut here, P is same. How much? 30 kilonewton. And they told steel rod. I think forgot to write here. Take E equal to, I forgot. Take E equal to, usually for steel, if not given, I will tell later, E you can take 200 GPa. This time they told 210 GPa. They told it 210 GPa. Okay, accept it. Now, both are having same material. But see, for this much portion, see, it is diameter is 22. Once you go up, once you go beyond 1.3 meter, its diameter instead of 22 becomes 16. That means it is something like this. See, this way. Full length is 2.5 meter. For 1.3 meter, don't worry about this cap all, uniform. Up to 1.3 meter, 22 mm diameter, remaining portion 16. Therefore, if I cut here or if I cut here, cross-section area changes. Therefore, it becomes member of compound member. See, when I usually see, I told member of because compound member is not popular in structural engineering. The most important in structural engineering is member of composite section. So whenever I start something, naturally the mind what comes? Composite member of composite section, but it is compound member. I told already last time what is composite, I told very clearly. Okay, now, therefore this comes under compound members. Make a note. See, I always take the class this way so that everything will be clear. Now, I will start solving. See, now, see, make a note. Instead of telling diameter is from 22 mm, remaining portion 16 mm, they can tell one more thing. You can tell up to 1.3 meter, diameter is constant 22, then suddenly diameter reduces to 16 and remains constant for remaining length. Or they can tell one more thing, be careful. The diameter is 22 mm for 1.3 meter and for remaining portion, it reduces to 16. Or be careful, they can tell it reduces by 6 mm. What people will do is, so many people, they will not read the question clearly. They will write what? 22 diameter here, and then they will take 6 mm here. Wrong. If they tell 22 mm reduces to 6, correct. But reduces by 6 means it is not 6 here. 22 reduces by 6. So 22 minus 6 is 16. These all I will tell little later when you go to further parts. It comes. When you go to torsion, etc., it comes there. So, or common sense, English language. So, this is a different way of giving questions. Now, solve the question. Now, what I will do is, this I will maintain because this information I am going to give in the end, not right now. I always want for subject matter. Okay, now, this all I will remove and go to solution now. Single stretch I will do it. I don't want to go for parts. I will remove everything and go for. I should remember now. Okay, one part, that sketch will be still there. Or there's a chance of forgetting, no problem. What I want, I forgot to tell you. What they want is, I wrote there, 1, elongation of the rod, 2, strain energy stored. See the question there, I remove it now. And lastly, maximum and minimum stress in the rod. They may not ask all these 3. Let them ask, we can solve. Okay, this I'll remember now. 1.3, 1.2, 22, 16. Okay, I'll remember. That much memory power I got. I'll remember everything so that this question will be fully solved now. Wait for a little time. It should dry up actually. This also I remove. Class number 5, let it be there. For that you can make out. This is class number 5. See, I want to make a single recording. I don't want to break in between and join today. There's a reason. Everything I want single recording, or you can make out. I never go for show off like that. Important is not show off. So many people will not do this way. They will stop pause the video and then restart. No problem. We will talk the way day-to-day life we talk. This is how we will decide. Okay, start. Solution. This is there, don't worry about it. Now, first write a sketch, need sketch. See, I write here, little time required. Need sketch you write here. See. Solution. See, as per the question, sketch is like this. Now remember, exam-oriented questions of compound, not one, at least 5-6 questions more are there. Very, very important. All consisting of 2 parts, simple, compared to the previous critical question, not even 10% work. That is exam questions. So it is very important. Okay, start. Now, they told the total length is 2. 2 is not required. Already I put one thing, write everything. Total length is 2.5 meter. This length is 1.3 meter, if I remember. This length is remaining is 1.2 meter. And this has got diameter is sufficient, 22 mm. This has got diameter of 16 mm. Axial pull of 30 kilonewton, I remember. Axial pull of 30 kilonewton. Okay. I'll write solution here. Okay, start. Now, last time I told you how to solve systematically. See, you want change in length or elongation. If they ask change in length, use the word change in length. If they want extension, use the word extension. This time, member is in tension, so length will increase. Don't write increase in length. In the question they told elongation, use it. See, we have, I first do one thing, some statement you are right. I write here. Sorry, solution. I will do one thing, after sketch, I will come here. You come here now. See, write the basic statement. We have elongation, use the same word, what they are, capital letter, okay. We have elongation, what word they use the same word, elongation, delta equal to PL by A. Okay, then in the beginning, if you write formula and explain, later only substitution. It is called systematic. Then further, they want strain energy stored, then comma. Strain energy stored that is called U equal to, I told you, you can take P square L by 2AE, or I told one more thing, even you can write half P delta also, your choice. Okay, I will use this one only. Okay, now further, and they want maximum and minimum stress. So write stress, simply stress, sigma equal to P by E. Okay, now what you have to do is, if you write this way, little explanation required. I want space here, so I don't want to lose the space. I will remove this one now, or I will write here. You can write here, where I am removing later, where, see, P is axial force, comma, A is cross-sectional area, E is modulus of elasticity of material. That much all not required for material. Okay, systematic respect to subject. Material for length considered equal to L. This is the most important. Length considered equal to, this is very, very important, equal to L. I told you, red color, for length considered equal to L. Whatever length you consider, for that length, PAE, all should be constant. See, now everything is covered here. Over. Now, you can see the question and decide. See, I told you take A here, make it B, make it C, or further make part 1 and part 2, so that easy to write. Okay, now see, if I take cross section 1, 1 here, 1, 1 here, I may take a cross section 2, 2 here. You can save some time. See, now you can write here. For any cross section that is 1, you can tell that is 1, 1 or 2, 2. 1, 1 or 2. That is either for AB portion or for BC portion. Wherever you take, what you can tell? Axial force P equal to, see, 30 kilonewton. This all thoroughly explained last time. 30 kilonewton. Remember, stick to newtons and millimeter. You make a note somewhere. You should be careful about this one. Okay. So P equal or 30 10 to the power 3 Newton. Nature tensile. This is clear. Next. Also you can do one thing. E equal to constant. How much I told? 210 GPa or equal to 210 10 to the power 3 MPa. Now I am not explaining. MPa means that is Newton per mm square. Over. Length don't write now. A is changing. Okay, now write a note. Consider AB and BC separately. You should write a note. What I dictating you write. Consider AB, that is our part 1, and BC, that is part 2, separately. You should write it. Exam not required, write separately. Okay, start. Now all the statement I will remove. Why? I want space. I want space here. This all I will remove. Because explaining part is over, I can go to further steps now. Okay, start. Some will tell, remove this also. I don't remove. Start. Consider AB. AB means member part 1. See, one sketch, if you want, you can write. Write a sketch here. The length of that part is 1.3 meter. You can write meter, no problem, or write millimeter. Okay, it is 1300 millimeter. Axial tension, either side you look here. Look here 30, look here 30. This you write kilonewton only. Later Newton. Already, sorry, that also not required. Why? Already over. Common data, 30 over. If I take section 1, 1, it has got cross section 1, 1 means a circular section of diameter 22 mm. Therefore, cross-sectional area A, already we wrote here, see, explaining is not required because already we told them A means cross-sectional area equal to pi by 4 of 22 square equal to, I have to calculate now. You write in the class, you see what systematic way I am solving the question. Every class when I take either offline or online, I take same way. Is 380 third decimal 133 mm square. Sufficient. Okay, start. Substituting delta, say delta 1 equal to, instead of delta, you call delta 1. What is formula? PL by AE for the portion, what? Or PL by AE for 1. Right here. L equal to 1300 millimeter. over. Therefore, equal to P. 30 10 to the power 3 into length is 1300 divided by area is 380.133. E is 200 10 to the power 3. Calculate the answer. 30 10 to the power 3 into 1300 divided by 380.133 divided by 200 10 to the power 3 equal to 0.5116 millimeter. Area is correct. Pi by 4 of 22 square is 380.133. Okay. That is 30 10 to the power 3. Not 200. See, 210. Because to save time, somewhere there I noted the answer. In case I don't want a mistake. Noted means not ready made. There is nothing to calculate. It is showing 0.4886. I never do always. Because I want this one single stretch only. So what happens is habit 200. 30 10 to the power 3 into 1300 divided by 380.133 divided by 210 10 to the power 3. See, one small mistake. Yes, 0.4886 millimeter. 4886 millimeter. Do not call increase or decrease because you told it's elongation. Understood. And U is equal to, say, U1 equal to P square L by 2AE. Substitute P square. 30 10 to the power 3 whole square into L is 1300. Area is 3. See, chance of forgetting this 2 I told you. 2 divided by 380.133 divided by 210 10 to the power 3. You get strain energy stored in Newton millimeter. 30 10 to the power 3 square into 1300 divided by 2 divided by 380.133 divided by 210 10 to the power 3 is 7328.26. I noted down. Yes, correct. 7328.26 Newton millimeter is U. Okay, now they wanted elongation and strain energy, maximum minimum stress. Last I am doing, not now. There is a reason for it. Okay, start. Now I write here. Consider consider which one? I wrote AB, consider BC. That is second part 2. Sketch is like this. I will do briefly, not this much, little lesser. Anyway, that scale is not a problem. Okay, this way. Axial force is once again 30 kilonewton. This is B, this is C. The length is 1200 millimeter. And if I take a cross section 2 here, cross section 2 will be a circle of diameter 16 millimeter. Therefore, cross section area A equal to pi by 4 of 16 square equal to 201 point, because 201 I know it because I used so many 60 mm bar in RCC. 201.062 mm square. Okay, now you should do one thing. It is your problem. Substituting delta, say delta 2 equal to, substitute PL by AE for part number 2, and for this part length equal to 1200 millimeter. Okay, now substitute and get delta 2. Okay, do one thing. You show the calculation. You enjoy it. Show the calculation. And also, little space problem is there. And let me check the camera. I do not want to go beyond the camera line. Okay, little space problem. I will come this side. Okay, so that I will do one thing now. I will come here and continue here. And U equal to, say, U2 equal to P square L by 2AE for part number 2. Substitute and get the answer in Newton millimeter. Okay, answer. You substitute. 30 10 to the power 3 into length is 1200 divided by 201.062 divided by 1200. No. That is not 1200. Sorry. 30 10 to the power 3 into length is 1200 divided by area 201.062 divided by 210 10 to the power 3 is 0.8526 millimeter. Correct? Yes. This is 0.8526 millimeter and U equal to, substitute, 12789.23 Newton millimeter. 23 P square 30 10 to the power 3 square into length is 1200 divided by area is 201.062 divided by 210 10 to the power 3 is 1 2 divided by 2 12789.23 1 measure 5 by 4 of 16 square, not 62. No, is correct. Okay, little mistake means don't worry. Now everything over. Now come to conclusion part. See, what I will do is, since confusion may be there, I will use different color for conclusion. See, different color I will use. I will use here. Conclusion part I will write here. So far what you have done, conclusion. 1 minute. Okay, camera I will check once again, because this sometimes what happens, little this side that side problem comes. You should not do this way. You should write continuously one after other one. Don't write something there, something here. This is for my convenience. Now, conclusion, final. Therefore, elongation for the given member equal to delta 1 plus delta 2. Y means understood. This is elongating. Last time critical question. There some elongation, some contraction. This time both are elongation. Right here. Simply add equal to delta 1. Where is it? So where point 0.4886 plus another one is 0.8526 is the elongation for the entire member in millimeter. I'll calculate the answer. Where I kept the calculator. See, sometimes it happens. Misplace the calculator. Here. It is 0.4886 plus 0.8526. Such delay next class will not be there. I will tell the reason for you. Why? 1.3412 millimeter. 1.3412 millimeter is the elongation for the member. Okay, now, and strain energy stored. Total, understood. Then they are, see, the strain energy stored equal to U1 plus U2. This time U substitute. U1, where is it U1? U1 is 7328.26 plus other one is 12789.23 is 20117. I think check the answer. I got doubt. 7326. This is no, not 7328. It's correct. You 7328.26 plus 12789.23 is 20117. I will apply check, no problem. 20117.49 Newton millimeter. I will apply check now. If wrong, I will find out now. See, that is something else, other side. Now, in case if I am solving the question, I will not find delta 1 here. Where delta 1? Here. U1. I will not find U2. I will not find these two. I will directly write strain energy stored equal to half P delta. I will take P equal to 30 10 to the power 3 and delta, the combined delta. You never do it. It is applicable only on condition. I know what condition is applicable is satisfied here, but you never try. Suppose the force is different, gone case. See, suppose the intermediate force here, then the P will change. You never try to solve like me. You solve the way I teach, because shortcut solve not for you. So I will check the answer now. Half into 30 10 to the power 3 into delta 1.3412 is 20118. Okay, correct. 20117.49 means 50 paisa difference in 20,000 rupees. That is because of approximating. Correct. Over. Now, full I am removing now. Now, the last part I will tell and conclude the class. I am not going for a long class today. I will tell the last part of this question now. See, this all I can remove. Remember, one important now. For I will make a note here. See, okay, where is the area? Areas are there. This I will remove. Yes. Now the concluding part. Lastly, they want, see, that when they want something 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, I forgot right. Lastly, to get maximum, I use same color, and minimum stress in the rod. In rod. Little common sense will give direct answer. See, you know that stress, that is sigma max and sigma minimum. See, sigma equal to P by A. Now, common sense is sufficient. P is constant. How much? 30, 10 to the power 3. For both the sides, P is 30 kilonewton. But this side, where diameter is 22, area equal to 380.133. That side, where diameter is 16, area is 201.062. Area is in denominator. So, stress will be more or maximum when area is lesser. And where area is more, stress will be lesser, or common sense. When diameter is more, stronger, stress will be lesser. When diameter is lesser, weaker, stress is more. If you got more money, you are stronger. Your pressure will be lesser, tension. If you got lesser money, see, you are in tension. Money not there, that way it will come, feeling. Now, right here. Therefore, see, you write stress is inversely proportional here. Therefore, sigma max will be when A is least or minimum, That is in which portion? In BC portion. Therefore, your sigma max equal to 30 10 to the power 3 divided by area, least, that is for diameter equal to 16 mm. How much area? 201.062. Write the answer which will give in Newton per mm square, maximum stress. Here. 30 10 to the power 3 divided by 201.062 equal to 149.208 Newton per mm square is the maximum stress. And then lastly, sigma min and sigma minimum will be when A is not least, A is highest or maximum or more. Okay, that is minimum. That is in AB portion, or you can tell that is for diameter equal to 22 mm. Therefore, sigma max, you can further write here, this is in, you can write one more thing, this answer is for that portion where diameter is 16 mm, right here, equal to 30 10 to the power 3 divided by, where is area? 380. 380.133 equal to 30 10 to the power 3 divided by 380.133 equal to 78.920 Newton per mm square. Both are tensile. You can write both are tensile. This is, you can write when, where diameter is how much? 22 mm. That is for a left side 1.3 meter. This answer. So the question is completely solved. Okay. Now I am going to conclude the class. And most probably this is the last class. Most probably I told. I will tell one small information for you. In the first class, I told you go through my classes fully. Let me see how much people watch. See, for a teacher, nothing is more satisfying and makes him happy than knowing that people watched his class, got knowledge and used it. I will tell you, in the beginning I told a story also for you. So that I told, leave the selfishness, don't try to save the data, let it reflect in my YouTube studio that how much is the people are watching. And I told share, maximum people use it. Number of views also lesser. First of all, no, I'm not complaining. So many people called me and told recently, sir, when you are classing uploading, sir, we are depending on you. Your class we are finding very easy to understand, very helpful. You are not continuing. I told just one sentence for them and cut the connection. I told, first of all, where you got my number? They got it in the YouTube. I told, don't call once again. I told, I am going for a service-oriented course. In my busy schedule, somehow making arrangement for these classes. And people in the beginning, they used to watch for 2 or 3 minutes. Very bad. I uploaded class for more than 2 hours. If someone is seeing for 2-3 minutes, I know what is the problem, not a problem. They watch, everybody watching. They will download, see, save the data, use the data for watching Facebook or that Instagram or some other videos, entertainment videos, not educational videos. I am not going to complain that way, but I decided people does not deserve it. That's all, deserve it. Let me see progress. Let me get the idea. Yes, people are using my class, and that gives me good feeling and more spirit to do. I told on that day, more spirit or what? Enthusiasm, it will give to me. But this type of response. So many people told me, sir, we are all seeing their classes. So many, every colleges also, even so many of my lecturers or students, they told students are getting benefit. But how? Download, watch it. Whether he knows or not, they are not bothered. Sorry, I will tell you, don't deserve it. I got my own value and I know how much my class are worth. And I'll tell you one information. Last class, class number 4, I noted down, it was average view was 0.37 minutes, means 0.37 into 360, 22 seconds. Aha. Means everybody downloading and seeing, they downloading because why? They want to see repeatedly. Okay, see repeatedly. At least let me know first time that you are seeing it. No, I decided not worth or you won't deserve it. So I am going to close this class today. Wish you all the best. Anyway, I am not having any hard feeling, but still it hurts to know that people are going other way. They are using my class and no gratitude, nothing. Okay, leave it now. I am not complaining. Now, what I decided is, I will tell lastly, I will tell important information. This is, see, somebody may tell he is scolding or raising issue. No, it hurts actually. People use it and without acknowledgement. Okay. Now, I will tell you the important part. It is left to you. Today is 16th. See, today is 16th of March. Okay, 2000 not required. 2022. Wednesday. Okay. Now, your examination is slated for around after 5 or 6th of March. Not very far off, but little time is there. I don't know. It may get postponed. I have no idea. We'll see. Now, 16th March. 21st of March. I will wait up to 21st of March. That is Monday. Monday it is, coming Monday, March. From this 21st March Monday till 31st, or not 31st, say 1st or 2nd of April. April, that is 21, first is 10, 11, 12, 13. Around 12, 13 or 14 classes maybe. What I will do is, I will cut remaining portion of this chapter, even this compound members, little more parts are required. That one and some other temperature effect is there. Lateral strain part, pure exam oriented. No too much story. Pure exam oriented so that maximum people will get benefit. I will come live. I will come live in YouTube daily, see from 21st March daily at, see, I have got a class up to 9 o'clock. I am having other class also. So many recordings are there. 7 to 9, 9 I am taking class. I will take 15 minutes break, and for benefiting, for helping you at daily at 9:15 p.m. Maybe class up to 11 p.m. Okay. PM. Daily I will take. Maybe Sunday, other coming Sunday, I may give a little extra time. So that way I will take and complete for you. I will see that everybody will pass. And not only pass, very good marks you will get. Remaining part of this one, principal stresses, torsion and columns. That will make 4 units. SFD, BFD you can study from my course. But remember, it is conditional. It is conditional. To come live, I do not want to waste my time. Just a few people coming live there, and I will ask some questions, do the class. I am not interested. I should get to maximum response. I will continue live class. Conditional is minimum of. You know what the minimum means? Minimum means not less than, at least minimum of 100 should be there. 100 strength. Minimum of 100 participants should be there. There should be live use. Minimum 100. What 100 means? You know it. 100 people should be attending at a time. And if the strength goes below 100, I will stop the streaming immediately. So don't plan for 100. Safer side, little more. Serious people, minimum 100 required. 100 not views required. 100 live participant. Live participants. Participant. Actually, live is the time when you will learn, because I will ask so many questions. So your mistakes all I will expose. Minimum 100 people should be there. And any day, suppose the strength, even during the class, suppose in the beginning, maybe more than 100, 120, 130. After some time, the moment it comes below 100, I will stop the streaming. That's all. What I want that way. I should know that people are really getting benefit. It is left to you. You spread the news in your friend circle or other circle. I don't have to tell me how to spread. If you think my class is required, if you are feeling it is benefiting you, then go ahead and make arrangement. And in today's class, in class 5, comment section, keep on posting commenting. Keep on posting comment. Posting comment. Simple comment, nothing. That is, yes, I am interested in coming live. That's all. Your name will appear there. Yes, I am interested in coming live. For your benefit I am doing. So, I will wait up to 21st. 21st is Monday. Monday after I finish my class. Before that I will be knowing how many are responding for that. Don't call my number. If you know the number also, don't call. I won't entertain. I won't entertain calls all. I do not want any calls. Comment section, keep on posting comment. And see that many people subscribe to the channel, because why? They get notification. So, if this condition is satisfied, then I will put extra effort. See, taking class from 7 to 9 at my age, 15 minutes break, and again taking 2-hour class, night time is not a joke. Even daytime also I am very busy. Therefore, on that condition, I will start. So, you comment there. I will see how many comment in this class only. I cannot keep on searching comment in other classes all. Class number 5, this class, you comment there. Just tell me, yes, I am interested in coming live. I will see how many are interested. When I feel that, because later it is bound, some may filter out. I know everybody may not come. But then I will decide. I will come live. I will send if you subscribe on the same day, when on 21st, around afternoon, I will send the link for you. You get the notification. Come live at 9:15. Live class is the most powerful. Okay. Furthermore, I don't want to talk. So, it is now left to you to continue or not. I will use my effort and I will struggle and arrange the time and see that you are getting maximum benefit, provided it gives me that feeling that my class is useful for you. If you feel it's not useful, leave it. Why should you bother? Enjoy this class and leave it. Okay. So now it depends. If you really feel my class is useful and you want to learn and get good marks in exam, and at least for many people who find difficulty, pass, I can guarantee almost pass. In that case, you spread the news everywhere, see that subscribe and comment there. Based on the comment, I will 21st Monday afternoon, I will send the link. If I feel not worth means, if I feel response is not good, I will silently keep quiet, will not post any more classes this way, no pre-recorded. Anything means live, that's all. Okay, thank you. All the best for everybody for coming examination. Even higher semester also, fourth semester onwards. So many classes I may take this way, all depends upon the response only, because I have got so many other works to do. Don't think I am a free person. I am running so many here professional classes here. I want to more and more time. If little time is there, I won't take rest. I am sacrificing my rest and taking the trouble of arranging this time. Okay, now it is left to you. Okay, thank you for watching this class. See, most probably, if you are interested, if you make arrangement, we will meet on 21st of Monday. Otherwise, all the best for everybody. Otherwise, not otherwise, anyway, all the best.